Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I do not do windows anymore thanks to this little guy. This is the window cleaning robot from Yoolax, and it allows me to buy back so much valuable time. We live in a house with a lot of windows that are up high, and also we have a sunroom, and that's a big task to clean all these windows. So thanks to this little robot from Yoolax, I can set it and go about doing other things. That is when I'm not super entertained by watching it. Both my dog and I found it fascinating to watch this little guy do his job. It's really easy to set up. I filled it with windshield washer fluid like it calls for, and it comes with its own bottle that makes it easy to fill the reservoir. To get it working is also very simple. You just stick it on the window, push the power button, you can hear the fan start. That's when you know that it's actually suctioned to the window. You can either push the button on the robot itself to get it started, or you have the remote control. It's great for me too because I'm only 4'11", so I can get this guy started lower on a window that's too high for me to reach. As you can see, I'm not able to reach all the way to the top of this window. So if you're tired of cleaning your windows, outsource that job to this window cleaning robot from Yoolax. It's going to save you time and effort, and that's my point of view.